Okay, the title is Cats and Friends from Fairyland. So Animals Traveling Through Fairyland by Ori Kawamura. And this is, I've seen earlier, I checked. Oh, this one is thick cardboard. You guys can color this. It's very thick. It's like double. Oh, right. Behind as well, you can color. And let's start it to. This one I really love the illustration. I was flipping through last night and it's so adorable. Oops. You see that giant fish over there? So cute. Have you guys seen this book? I'm not sure if I've seen a flip through of this book. He's reading Cat Life book. So cute. This one is nice, and this one as well. I think this one is the, yeah, I really love the illustration. Cat in a sled, train. This is so creative, you know. They're on the train and then they're at the like galaxy, like they're flying. So cute.